Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're standing in front of the 2025 Toyota Sienna. Now, the exterior of this minivan doesn't really look too different from the previous model year, but the interior has been upgraded to give you so much more than that typical minivan experience. After you watch this video, you'll see exactly why you should buy the Toyota Sienna over the Honda Odyssey. But before we get into it, don't forget to hit that bell and subscribe to get our latest Sienna news and deals. Okay, so technically, the Toyota Sienna can be compared to the Honda Odyssey. We don't really see the competition, but here's what you should know before your test drive. The 2025 Sienna comes in 6 different models and 9 different paint colors. It also has a starting MSRP of $39,185. Now we're at the front, so let's take a look at the entire exterior of this new minivan. So the exterior of the 2025 Sienna has a modernized look with sleek accents throughout. You're going to get alloy wheels that come in multiple designs and sizes. You get that crisp LED lighting that we love. Up on top, we've got roof racks if you need a little extra luggage storage. And one of my favorite and the coolest features on the Sienna, you've got dual power sliding doors. And on some models, they have the hands-free option. So you just, and the door slides right open. Super easy to load a sleeping kid inside. Coming around to the back, you've got the same feature on the back power rear liftgate where you have the foot activation, open it up, pops open, super easy to load groceries. 2025 Sienna also has a special Woodland Edition. So it's gonna have black accents throughout, interior and exterior, plus black badging and dark alloy wheels. And if you want a little bit of luxury in your everyday driver, go for the Platinum because it has chrome finishes all over the place. So the first thing you notice when you hop inside the 2025 Sienna is how spacious and comfortable it is. There is so much room in here. You can seat up to 8 people with no problem, and you'll have seat options like fabric, leather, and Softex. We go back into the second row. We have sliding second row captain's chairs on some models, so you can really stretch out, relax, recline. Some models even have ottomans for your feet. Going back to the third row, this is a fully functional third row. It's not one of those fake third rows that no one can fit in. So you're going to easily fit 3 across, have plenty of legroom, and the seats are split and stow seats that you can fold flat to make more cargo space. All right, moving back to the trunk, you are going to have 33.5 cubic feet of cargo space with all the seats up and occupied. He's 6 feet, he fits back here, so plenty of room. So up front, you've got plenty of USB and USB-C ports for charging. You're gonna have 4-zone automatic climate control to keep everyone comfortable. You're also gonna have Qi wireless charging up front for your devices. Some models come with a handy digital rear view mirror, and you can get up to a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster for all of your important information. Moving back to the second row, you've got manual second and third row sunshades, which are super important for Florida weather, keep everyone cool. Conversely, you also have a power moonroof on some models to let the outside in when it's nice out. Now, if the Sienna wasn't comfortable enough for you already, you've got 18 cup and bottle holders throughout this thing, plenty of space. And if you opt for the Sienna Platinum, you're going to get, it's such a cool feature, an onboard vacuum for cleaning up messes on the go and a Coolbox that keeps your snacks and drinks cold. All right, so driving the Sienna, you know it's a hybrid this year, so it's really quiet and smooth. So quiet inside the cabin, which is handy if you've got kids sleeping in the back seat, right? I used to not be a fan of minivans, but the Sienna has definitely changed my mind because of the way it drives, because of how stylish it is. You definitely are going to feel safe in this car, and you've also got plenty of space. On top of that, you've got really responsive steering, really responsive braking, pretty much everything that you want in a family vehicle. But it's got a little bit of acceleration to keep things interesting. So you've seen me drive it, but if you want to take it for a spin yourself, schedule your test drive and stop by today. All right, let's take a look under the hood and talk about performance in the 2025 Sienna. All right, so we have a hybrid powertrain. Sienna only comes in hybrid, no gas models available. However, that means you're going to get amazing fuel efficiency, and you're also going to save a ton of money on gas. 2025 Sienna gets up to 36 miles per gallon combined. Now, let me just remind you, the Honda Odyssey only gets 22 miles per gallon combined, which means Sienna is the clear winner when it comes to fuel efficiency. Sienna also comes with all-wheel drive for better traction and handling, especially in wet weather, and it has multiple drive modes available to you. So you've got the toggle right here for normal, eco, sport, and EV mode. Plus, it can tow up to 3,500 pounds. Okay, so now you know how awesome it is to drive the Sienna. Let's talk about tech and safety, which are really important in a family car. So the 2025 Sienna has some tech features that you will not find in its competitors, and you may not even find in some of our other Toyotas. For starters, it has a 1080 HD entertainment center in the back in some models. You're going to have an 11.6-inch screen that drops down, 2 sets of wireless headphones, and a remote, so your kids can watch their shows and you don't have to listen to Bluey in the front seat. On top of that, you've got a 12.3-inch audio multimedia system. You're going to have wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Sirius XM. And you've even got the option to upgrade to a 12-speaker premium JBL audio system. When it comes to safety, you want the best of the best when you're shopping for a family car, and Toyota delivers. So Sienna comes with Toyota Safety Sense 2.0. You're going to get features like road sign assist, lane departure alert with steering assist. You're also going to get Star Safety System and advanced airbag system with airbags throughout the cabin. On top of that, there's an advanced rear seat reminder. Now that is an alert if you exit the vehicle and there are still children or pets in the back seat. Speaking of kids, there's a latch system in the Sienna. You're gonna have it on up to 5 seats in the back, which is pretty incredible. So you've got plenty of space to install booster seats and car seats. Some trims have a 10-inch color head-up display, which projects important information onto your windshield right in front of you. Keep your eyes on the road. And if you go for the Platinum Sienna, you're going to get a panoramic view monitor, which gives you a 360-degree overhead view of your car so you can see exactly what's around you. All right, now you know everything there is to know about the 2025 Toyota Sienna. So which model are you taking home? Drop your pick in the comments below and tap the link below to unlock our best prices. You can also call Toyota of Orlando at 407-298-4500 or stop by in person and see us. We're at 3575 Vineland Road, just off I-4 across from the mall at Millennia.